a drop step but enjoy more of the running board style, these Barricade Open Trail HD running boards will be a perfect compromise for your 2020 or newer JT Gladiator. Now, this heavy-duty side step will offer you the best of both worlds when it comes to getting in and out of your JT on a daily basis. If you have a lift or smaller passengers that need that extra boost a typical running board may not be able to offer, while also giving your JT tough protection. Now, these are great for the light to moderate off-roader and daily driver because of the mild drop that they have, not being your most high clearance choice, but will be great in the event of on or off-road hazards, deflecting any obstacles away from your rocker. Now, these will have a hybrid plate and tube design with a large upper bar covering the pinch weld that will take on that ruby rail style to finish the appearance and protect that very vulnerable area. Now, as I mentioned, compared to other drop step options, this is going to drop down about 2 inches to a full 5-inch wide running board, which will offer you and your passengers a ton of space to plant your foot or their foot to hop in and out of the JT. Now, the step plates will also be bolt-on if you want to customize them further. They will have a backing here for a more finished appearance and multiple cutouts for style, drainage, and additional traction, making sure that if your boots or your shoes are wet or muddy, that you can still keep a good footing. Now, underneath the step plate will also be a secondary support tube for the base of the step, and it will be even straight across. So even though these aren't going to offer as much clearance as a typical rock slider, they still will be able to slide off of any hazards compared to choices with individual drop steps that do have the possibility of getting hung up when you are off-road. These are made of a tough steel plate and steel tube construction, being able to hold their own over time, especially with the help of the black powder coat on top, protecting from surface scratching and rusting. Now, the kit will also come with powder-coated steel brackets for solid supports and a full bolt-on construction, requiring no modifications to get these installed on your truck. Now, this set here is about $400, which is more affordable compared to other drop steps like it, but right in the middle of the category as a whole. Now, these will definitely offer your JT a one-up compared to some basic lighter duty choices with the heavy duty build and the accessibility of the drop step, unlike other standard options. Now, they will also be very unique in the fact that these are going to provide a good amount of drop front and back in the more running board style configuration compared to similar steps, making it a great choice if you like that feature for either the usefulness, the off-road appearance, or both. Install for these is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It shouldn't take you too long, probably about 2 hours, to get the job done with some very basic hand tools. Now, at this point, I'm going to pass you over to one of our installers here. They are going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your JT at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, 10mm wrench, and 10 and 13mm sockets. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a set of side steps on our Gladiator, so let's get started. So the first thing I've done is laid out all of our brackets and our hardware. Now, we're working on the driver side, so you're going to be looking for the brackets that are stamped DF for driver front, DC for driver center, and DR for driver rear. Passenger side is going to be the same thing, but with PF, PC, and PR. So all of these brackets install the same, but they're slightly different, and just to move around different things underneath here. So we'll show you the one, and you can repeat for the other two.
So now we can raise our bracket up into place. We're going to take our 13mm bolt with a lock washer and a flat washer and put it through the top and thread it into that threaded hole. And then you can grab that 10mm bolt with a flat washer and put it through the front side of the pinch weld. Get another flat washer on the back side and then thread on your nut. Then do the same on the other hole. And now you have a little bit of side-to-side adjustment in your bracket. So I'm just going to get it centered up. And then take a 13mm socket to tighten down your top bolt. Make sure your bracket's straightened up. And then you can switch to your 10mm socket and wrench to tighten down your pinch weld bolts. And then repeat that same process for your other 2 brackets.
So now that we have all of our brackets installed, I've got our side step here ready to go on. I've got 2 of our combo bolts under each of our bracket. We're going to use 2 on each to thread into the rib nuts on our side step. So we can grab this and raise it up onto our bracket.
So now we can hop underneath and thread those 2 combo bolts in. I'm going to start with the top here. And then the bottom. Now I've already threaded the bolts in on the other 2 brackets, but you're going to want to make sure you get them all threaded in before you start tightening them down. So now you can just adjust this and tighten down your bolts. And then do the same thing on your other 2 brackets and repeat that whole process for the other side.
So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Barricade Open Trail HD running boards for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Thank you for watching, and for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.